Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about shorthand operators. Now shorthand operators are the combination of an operator with the assignment operator. For example, shorthand arithmetic operators is the combination of arithmetic operators and the assignment operator like this. So plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to and divide equal to are example of shorthand arithmetic operators. Shorthand operators can be used in situation where the left and right hand side of assignment operator has the same variable. For example, a is equals to a plus 5 can be written as a plus equal to 5 because a is a common variable on both sides, and this is applicable when the operands are only variables. For example, a is equals to a divided by b can be written as a divide equal to b. Apex supports the following shorthand operators: shorthand arithmetic operators and shorthand bitwise operators. So it's pretty much of talk, and now it's time to see the things practically. So guys, here we are in our developer console and let's create a program for shorthand operators. So guys, as you can see in this program, I have created two integer variables var1 and res1, where var1 is assigned with 10 and res1 is assigned with 5, and I am using all the shorthand arithmetic operators one by one after showing value of each operation. So here res1 plus equal to var1, that is equivalent to res1 equals to res1 plus var1, and so I have used res1 minus equal to var1, res1 multiply equal to var1, res1 divide equals to var1. After that, it's going to subtract 10 from 15, so res1 will become 5, so the second output will be 5. After that, res1, that is 5, will be multiplied by 10, that will result into 50, so the third result will be 50. And finally, res1 divide equal to var1, that is 50 divided by 10, will result into 5. So let's see the result. So guys, you can clearly see the result is 15, 5, 50, 5. So let's create another program to see shorthand bitwise operators. Now you can see in this program, again I have created two integer variables var1 and res with value 5 and 4 and performing AND, OR and XOR operation on them, and the result will be 4, 5 and 0 respectively. So let's see the output. And you can see the output is 4, 5 and 0. So guys, that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.